Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good evening, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joshua Franson, and we've had some stronger winds today, and those are going to last a little bit longer going into tonight. Winds out of the south at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, but then tomorrow we're going to see high pressure move into our area. It's going to allow us to be a little bit calmer and a little more dry, but the clouds are going to persist. You see these winds into tomorrow out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, and well, I say a little bit more dry because, well, for the rest of the night tonight, we're going to see these stray showers move out of our area. Will remain pretty much mostly cloudy as they pull on out, but tomorrow remaining cloudy, and then we actually see maybe for our southern counties a couple more stray showers moving through later during the afternoon. But then aside from that, we'll get a brief period of a little bit more clear weather before more clouds begin to move up from the south to leave us partly cloudy overnight, and then we'll be mostly cloudy throughout Monday, because Monday, well, we're going to see a lot more rain from this low pressure that's going to begin to move up from Texas. And you can see that here as it begins to lift forward throughout Monday, or lift northward, I should say. It's going to have a nice band of rain on its associated fronts. It's warm front, cold front. We see it, the first band move through, and then later during the evening, that second band move through throughout the day. So plenty of widespread rainfall, in fact, heavy rainfall. So make sure if you see any ponding on the roads, you're driving safe and being careful, because this rain will be persisting from the afternoon to later in the evening. But then when that low pressure lifts on out, we'll be left with clouds pretty much throughout Tuesday. Maybe some rain Tuesday morning, but clouds throughout Tuesday, and then clouds again throughout Wednesday. Now after this low pressure moves through, we're going to see our weather get quite a bit cooler, because behind that low pressure is going to be a lot of cold air coming down from the north. So here's the temperatures for the weekend and to start out next week. Well, you see next week on Monday when it's moving through, 57, pretty nice. 55, also nice, but then it drops into the lower 40s, and our normal highs for this time of year is 46 degrees. So we're going from above average to below average, and we sort of remain that way as that cold air is continuously pushed in. And it's mainly because, as I stated, this low pressure lifts up, and watch all this cold air get poured down right across the Midwest. That's why it might feel a little bit cooler next week after we get through all that rainfall. But the rainfall totals sitting about 1 to 2 inches, so it'll be pretty nice across our area, help relieve us from that drought, should provide a lot more relief to that drought monitor versus a couple of sparse rain events, pretty much widespread and very nice healthy rainfall. But overall for tonight, temperatures sitting in the lower 50s to mid 50s, and we'll see mostly cloudy conditions with that stray shower possible. Winds will also be a little bit stronger out of the south at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. And then going into tomorrow, temperatures sitting in the lower to mid to upper 50s, cooler to the north, warmer to the south, still mostly cloudy, with another shot at a stray shower later in the afternoon. Winds will be out of the west, though, a little bit calmer at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. City by city forecast, we see those big rain chances enter on Monday, 100%. Temperatures still warmer in the upper 50s. Same deal for Tuesday, except that rain mainly for the morning. And then on the 10-day forecast, well, we can see that cooler weather enter after this period of rain. I want to mention also all these days are going to be pretty windy, but then of course Thursday or Wednesday and Thursday, look at these temperatures, 40s, and they continue through pretty much the wide range or long term ahead. So we have windy conditions, and then we also have to deal with these lows sitting in the mid and upper 20s. So there might be some ice possible, and then after that, well, we'll be partly cloudy for the weekend, and then it seems like we're trending towards more clouds the week after next week. But overall, quite the active week of weather ahead for us starting Monday and then continuing through Friday.